And good evening on this Christmas Eve. The case is coming to an end. Good evening, I'm Damon Maloney.
And I'm Rob Powers in tonight for Katie Houston. The state was fighting to remove a board chair and former member of the retired teachers' pension fund, accusing them in a bribery scheme.
Our Columbus Bureau reporter Morgan Trow has been breaking open this case for years and tells us how each side pleaded their case.
Was it corruption?
It's the erosion of confidence, the institution that safeguards the retirement security for Ohio's teachers.
Or going against the status quo?
What I was trying to do, provide benefits that were promised.
The clock is ticking while a Columbus judge decides. Attorney General Dave Yost's team has submitted its closing argument on a case we've been uncovering for years, an alleged $65 billion scheme inside the state teachers' retirement system board. In a one-on-one interview, the top cop argued STRS board chair Rudy Fichtenbaum needs to be removed from his position, and former board member Wade Steen needs to be banned from ever returning to public pensions.
The question at trial was, did they violate their fiduciary duty to the retired teachers? And I think we unquestionably proved that and proved it over again.
The state is accusing Fichtenbaum and Steen of attempting to contract steer 70% of STRS assets to QED, a startup investment firm. Yost says QED's founders, Seth Metcalf and J.D. Tremmel, have backdoor ties and no track record, clients, or capability to invest billions of dollars. The state says that Metcalf worked behind the scenes to try to illegally secure the deal, pointing out concerns that the board members were too close with him. Through a public records request, we uncovered hundreds of text messages where Steen was given questions to ask during board meetings, documents to propose, and was pushed to follow QED's plan. And he and Fichtenbaum did.
We're trying to explain their idea.
But the defense said that getting advice isn't a crime, and they were just trying to get better financial returns for educators, increasing their cost of living adjustments.
We need a lot of money in order to restore the COLA, no question about that.
Each of Fichtenbaum and Steen's attorneys wrote in their closings that no harm was done because the proposal never went through, and that they're allowed to ask questions that other people sent them. Both defense attorneys had problems with the AG's lawsuit, arguing this was politically motivated.
I'm going to do a thorough and impartial investigation, and he filed 5 days later. That's when he filed this case. No investigation.
This is just a civil case, but the Ohio Ethics Commission has been investigating, and they would be able to refer criminal charges. Yost thinks that is warranted.
I do think they acted unethically.
The attorneys say they expect the judge to rule in the coming weeks. At the Ohio State House, I'm Morgan Trow reporting.